97 ways to make your dog smile. Welcome back to another episode of Super Cooper Sunday. So this is a book that we got a long time ago. I think we've done 2 other episodes with this.
I think so.
It's worked out really well. You guys have always really enjoyed it. Our goal is to one day maybe make it through all 99 ways. We're gonna knock off another 5 today.
Number 5, make a hand sandwich. When your dog is lying on his side, slip your hand between him and the floor, starting at the shoulder, and run your hand slowly along the length of his body. The ripple will result in canine ecstasy.
You're making this hard. Good boy.
Just rolled into you.
It's kind of hard to do because they're heavy. Like the bottom hand, you can't really get it underneath them. Does that feel good, buddy? That feels pretty good.
He's alternating between enjoying himself and crazy eyes.
If the tongue's out, I think we're having a good time.
Our next one is number 33, puppy Pilates. If you do floor exercises or yoga at home, let your dog join you on the mat. Most dogs love to join in, especially for moves like downward facing dog.
The best part is this happens every day. He's a little confused because the camera's here. He knows the camera's here, which means something fun's happening. This is more like his...
This is what he really likes, is when my face is right in his face. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna do a burpee now. That was my foot. Excuse me. Okay, that's a good spot. You stay right there. That was gentle, but he still could have moved.
He's just so happy to be here with you. He got a workout exercise accessory of his own. You can drop this. Get it.
I can't jack. Okay, I won't do it again.
Crazy dog. For the most anticlimactic segment,
Excuse me.
Koda doesn't really care about workouts. He just wants to know if we're gonna give him any love. Yes, I see you, buddy. You're a good boy. Go get her. Just a little bit of love. He doesn't really get excited about the workout part. He just wants to know if you're gonna give him any love. Otherwise, he'll probably go lay down. Good job, buddy. You worked out really hard.
Number 45, the scratch and sniff. It's payback time for all that sniffing you get. The next time your dog sniffs you, sniff him back. Make it as loud and reciprocal as you can. Be careful, he's gonna hit you in the face.
I'm nervous about the whole jumping up thing because I know he does that.
Ooh!
You okay, buddy?
Is that his head?
That's his head pretty hard. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Shh, I'm gonna tell you a secret, okay? I think they should make a book about all the ways to make Koda happy. Basically any sort of attention at any moment. And he's happy as can be. Sit. Come here, you gotta come here.
He just kissed you and walked away. He said, I'm done.
Come here. Sit. So much slobber.
Ooh.
Shh, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh. I'm gonna force you to listen to my secret. He cares more.
You need a helmet and a face mask if you're gonna do that.
Like a full-on football. Yeah. You okay?
That's why we wear the helmet.
Didn't even phase him. Didn't phase him at all.
Number 57. Disclaimer, I don't speak French. This is parlez-vous chien? Try speaking common words or commands in a different language, but use the same vocal inflection as usual. Your dog may actually understand what you mean. Cooper, vete aquí. Vete aquí. Cooper, vete aquí. Vete aquí. Vete aquí. Cooper, vete aquí. Good job. Siéntate. Siéntate.
That was quick.
He had no idea. He just thinks that's what I wanted.
He's been trained to sit as soon as he comes up to someone, so that was easy. What's your last one? Let's try one more.
Vamos. That was always gonna work because he's always gonna go right.
Do you speak Spanish, Coop? ¿Hablas español?
Just over there smiling by himself in the bed.
I can guarantee you he's not going to get up and come to you.
No, he's definitely not. He's
Even if
very
you-
happy where he's at.
If you said it in English, he wasn't going to come to you.
No. Koda, vete aquí. Vete aquí. Dakota, vete aquí. Vete aquí.
Try it in English.
Dakota, come. Dakota, come.
Oh, that's better than I thought.
Surprisingly.
Good boy. All right, number two.
Siéntate.
Good boys.
That kind of is what I read. Siéntate. Okay, high five. Okay, shake. Okay, hey, vamos. 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 Dakota, vamos. He's like, I have no idea what that means, but it sounds happy.
Who knew these boys were so smart? They're bilingual.
Not gonna lie, I'm very excited / nervous about number 58. Are you ready? Lazy man's tetherball. Not feeling particularly energetic, but still wanna offer entertainment for your dog? Tie a balloon just out of reach to your ceiling fan and let it spin. Disclaimer, all I'm saying is, we're not doing it just out of reach, we're doing it way out of reach because I'm not trying to have a broken ceiling fan today.
Go get it. Where is it? Where's the balloon? You know it's somewhere. You know it's somewhere. It's gotta be somewhere. You gotta find it. You gotta find it. Koda, we're not wrestling. Oh, we see it now. Get it, Coop, get it, get it, get it! You want me to get it? You do? You want me to get it? All right. I don't know if I would call this ways for your dog to have fun. Shh, 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 shh. Go get it. Coop, be careful. Oh my God. Coop, be careful. Oh. Unbelievable. You got it, buddy? You got it? You did. That mean balloon was almost out of reach. Good job, Koda. You did good too. That mean balloon was almost out of reach. Nobody saw you trip and fall.
That was so sad.
Good boy. How have we never thought of doing that before? Not that we would ever want to.
No, it wasn't relaxing at all.
That was-
It was one balloon and the balloon's gone. We're safe, you did it, it's done.
There could be more, you never know.
He keeps trying to go for my hand.
So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. There is a giant slobber mark from Koda right there at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was a lot of fun. Let us know if you guys want us to keep doing these. I feel like every few months we could try to knock out 5 more.
This is our best one as far as happiness.
I think so too. The entire book has a lot of great ideas, so we'll keep doing this if you guys want. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to see you guys on Wednesday on the Super Cooper channel. We're going to see you guys next Sunday here on this channel for Super Cooper Sunday. Leave comments if you guys have any ideas or anything you want to see next, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.